Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to change the screensaver wallpaper to custom AI art on your CHiQ TV. So first let's head over to the screensaver, just like that, in the control center. Now press down to change the screensaver photos and go over to custom AI art. Now here we can generate one, so let me click create new, and here we can, let's say, do the imaginary. Here we can choose between like a car made of, let's say, what's so funny, I don't know, let it be wood in shades of, let's say, coral and tan. Now let's click generate. And all we have to do is wait for Google to generate our new screensaver wallpaper. So now it's here, it looks amazing, I love that. So we can click save. And now here let's click done. Now let's choose this one. And now it's as a screensaver. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.